What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to set up the Logitech Gaming Software on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Click on the first link in the description to get to this page. Here, in case you haven't already done this, make sure to download the Logitech Gaming Software installer. After a few seconds the download should be completed. Simply double-click the downloaded file and follow the instructions to install the Logitech Gaming Software to your system. After installing the software, make sure to open up the application. You should first of all make sure that you're using an up-to-date version of the software. When hovering over this question mark, then you can access this menu. Select Check for updates. After a second, a new window will open up, where you should download the recommended update. This should only take a minute or two. Next, click on this gear icon to get to your settings. Your Logitech mouse, keyboard or other device should be shown as one of those tabs. Select it and make sure that your device is up to date. Next, select your device. In this example, I will select the G403, where I can change the DPI sensitivity levels. Set one of these as your default DPI sense. As your polling rate, I suggest setting it to the highest possible. You also have the option to create profiles with different settings. This can be useful when using one profile for gaming and the other for productivity, for example. In your lighting settings, you can use different profiles again. Below, enable or disable RGB. I prefer to disable the light on my wireless mouse as it will reduce its battery lifespan quite a bit. In case it's enabled, then use one of the available effects if you want to. Change the brightness and the rate. You can also sync your lighting settings across your Logitech devices. A very interesting tab is this one about your power consumption. Here you can compare different presets to see how many hours your device will be usable. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.